This is a quick video on the VANGO 15 litre backpack, and it's foldable. Now if you're going on holiday or on vacation and you want to bring a bag with you which is not permanently on your back all the time, you just want to take it out when you're buying souvenirs or to put your coat away or your jumper or your top away, this is the best foldable backpack you can buy today. I bought this from Amazon. I bought it for £13 and it is well worth the money. It is so light and strong. We've actually carried 5 wine bottles in this bag all day on my back, and there's no rip in this bag at all. Not one stitching is out of place. What you get with this bag, as you can see, you have a front pocket, you have a main pocket which is 2 zip pulls. They come all the way around here and all the way around here. If I turn over the back, you have a semi-padded shoulder straps with wickering mesh. Take the sweat off you if you're carrying this bareback. It'll take the sweat off. Waterproof outer layer. It folds down. If you don't want to fold it into itself, it is very flat, so you can carry that in your case as it is if you want. I'll show you. I'll fold it up and show you how small it folds down to. Now it folds down to that size. It'll take you to fold it down into itself about 8 seconds, probably even less than that. What it does is the front pocket, which I showed you, the front pocket turns inside out, and you collapse the bag into that front pocket and then zipper it up. And as you can see, there you have the zipper toggle there. You have a toggle here so you can attach it to your belt strap. I attach mine to my belt strap on my trousers when carrying it, and it folds down. This is all waterproof, so it could be out in the storm and basically the bag will not get wet inside the bag when you're folding it out. And to show you, sorry about that, to show you the actual size comparison of this bag when it folds down, that there next to it is my iPhone 7 Plus charger case, and that goes to show you the size of the bag. You see, it's no bigger and no longer than your average iPhone Plus case. Your average iPhone. That goes to show how small it folds down to. Well worth the money. Well worth the money. I'll leave in the description where you can pick this up from Amazon. And as I says, if you're on the go and you're traveling or even on a day trip, instead of bringing a big old bag with you, just bring one of these. As I said, I've put 5 wine bottles in, full-size wine bottles, and it took the weight. And it says the stitching, no looseness of the stitching at all. It's a very, very strong bag. I hope you like this video, and please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.